Brake squeaking after installing new pads and rotors is often due to vibrations. Several factors contribute to this issue. The primary cause is vibrations between the brake pads and rotors. One factor is glazing, where a hardened layer forms on the pads from overheating during initial use. Rotor contamination from brake dust or rust prevents proper contact and causes vibrations. Improper installation or skipping the bedding process leaves surfaces unmated, leading to uneven contact. Low-quality pad materials containing impurities increase the risk of squeaking. Environmental factors like humidity can cause condensation on rotors, worsening vibrations. Ceramic pads can reduce squeaking by 30 to 40% compared to semi-metallic pads, though they cost more. Always resurface warped rotors or replace them. The primary fix for squeaky brakes is the bed-in procedure. Perform controlled stops from moderate speeds, around 30 to 50 miles per hour, to gradually transfer pad material onto the rotor surface. Clean the rotors with isopropyl alcohol to remove any contaminants that could cause squeaking. Apply anti-squeal compounds to the back of the pads and caliper slides. Avoid silicone-based sprays as they can contaminate the pads. Consider upgrading to slotted or drilled rotors, which help dissipate heat and reduce brake noise. If squeaking persists, have a professional check for bent caliper brackets or worn shims. New car models integrate electronic dampers that sense vibrations and adjust pressure dynamically, while AI diagnostics predict squeaks before they occur.